In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily unpair Apple Watch from your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the easiest way to unpair any Apple Watch from your iPhone is using this watch application, which is official Apple app to manage your Apple Watch. And if you don't have it installed on an iPhone, or if you accidentally deleted it, just head over to the App Store, search for watch, and then download it to your iPhone. Once it is done, open up the app. Then at the top left corner, click Add All Watches. Here you will find the list of all your Apple Watches. I got just one Apple Watch here, which is current Apple Watch Ultra 2. And basically now, if we want to unpair it from our iPhone, we just need to tap right here at this button. And then down below here, we can easily find this Unpair Apple Watch. Just tap right here and then hit right here one more time to confirm it. You may be asked to enter your passcode or Apple ID password to confirm this action, and after that your watch will be unpaired from your iPhone. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.